What you're watching right now wasn't created by a professional studio. Every scene was generated using AI. And today, I'll show you the exact method to create long-form AI videos for free, without limits, and with no watermark. But before I reveal the method, look at this Ghibli-style channel. It has gained over 103,000 subscribers with just 28 videos. And YouTube is rewarding these videos in a massive way. Just look at this. 2.5 million views, 1 million views, and almost every upload is going viral. Now, you might be thinking this is just one lucky channel, but it's not. Take a look at this second channel. The same type of AI videos, the same pattern of viral uploads. And here's a third channel proving the exact same thing. Stay with me because before this video ends, I'll give you my complete master prompt, the same framework that generates consistent characters, cinematic scenes, and complete long-form AI videos in minutes. Once you have it, you'll be able to create your own videos again and again without starting from scratch. Now let's begin. The first step is generating the story and scene prompts using my master prompt. As you can see, I've opened the master prompt. It works like a professional Ghibli-style animation director. All you need to do is enter your topic or story idea, then specify how many scenes you want to generate. The more scenes you choose, the longer your final video will be. From there, the master prompt does all the heavy lifting. It generates the complete story, detailed character descriptions, and video prompts for every single scene. To make things even easier, I've also included 10 ready-made story concepts that you can use right away to create your own Ghibli-style AI videos. Now I'll copy the master prompt and open Gemini in a new tab, then I'll paste the prompt into the Gemini prompt box. Next, we need to provide a story concept. I'll go back to the master prompt, copy the first ready-made story concept, return to Gemini, and paste it below the prompt. Now we need to enter the number of scenes we want to generate. I'll set it to 15, but you can enter as many scenes as you like. The more scenes you generate, the longer your final AI video will be. After that, I'll select the Pro Extended model and click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, Gemini generates everything we need: the complete story, detailed character descriptions, and clip prompts for all 15 scenes. As you can see, each scene includes the script, voice instructions, an image prompt, and a video prompt to bring that image to life. Gemini automatically creates all of this for every single scene, saving you hours of manual work. Now it's time for the second step, generating the images for each scene. I will open a new tab and go to Google Flow AI. In my experience, Flow AI delivers some of the most accurate image generation results for this workflow. As you can see, I've already logged in, so I'll click New Project to get started. Flow AI now includes a wide range of powerful AI tools. If you click on Tools, you'll find many advanced features that you can use for free. Now I'll click All Media. Before generating any images, let's configure a few important settings. Click the Settings button. The first and most important setting is the aspect ratio. I'll set it to landscape 16:9, which is perfect for creating long-form videos. Next, I'll set images per generation to 1. Now you can choose your image generation model: Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, or Nano Banana 2 Lite. I'll select Nano Banana 2 Lite because it's fast and produces highly accurate results. Finally, click Save to apply all the settings. Now I'll go back to Gemini, copy the character details, and paste them into the Flow AI prompt box. Next, you have two options. You can copy and paste each image prompt one by one, or use a much faster method. Simply ask Gemini to extract and separate the image prompts ready for copy and paste. As you can see, I entered the prompt, and within seconds, Gemini organized all the image prompts for us. Now I'll copy all of them, return to Flow AI, paste them into the prompt box, and click Generate. Flow AI is now running in agent mode. First, it analyzes the request, and within a few moments, it starts generating each image automatically, one scene at a time. And there you have it. All of the scene images have been generated. Now, if you want to download any image, simply click the three-dot menu, select Download, and choose your preferred format. I'll download the original quality version for the best results. In the same way, I will download all the images. These are the scene images we've generated. Now it's time for the next step, bringing them to life using free AI tools. You can generate videos directly inside Flow AI. You may notice that I'm using the Pro version, but the good news is that you can also get it 100% free and legally because Google offers free Gemini Pro to students. Simply search YouTube for Gemini Pro free for students, and you'll find plenty of helpful tutorials showing you how to claim it. Now let's animate our first image. Click the three-dot menu and you'll see several options. If you click Animate, Flow AI will automatically turn the image into a video. But if you click Add to Prompt, you'll have much more control over the final result. As you can see, the image has been added to the prompt section. Now I'll go back to Gemini, copy the video prompt for the first scene, and paste it into the Flow AI prompt box. Next, click the Settings button. Here you can choose different video generation models, including OmniFlash and the VO models. I'll keep OmniFlash selected because it's one of the most advanced and fastest video generation models available. After that, click Save to apply the settings, then click Generate. If this message appears, simply click Approve to start the video generation. As you can see, the video generation has started, and within a few seconds, our first scene is ready. Let's watch the result. The animation looks great, but there's one problem. It includes branding, and that's one of the biggest challenges creators face when using AI video generators. But don't worry, I'll show you the exact method to generate the same high-quality videos without any branding using Flow AI. Now, if you want to generate the video without any branding, simply click the three-dot menu on the first scene image again and select Add to Prompt. This time, the image will be added to the left side panel. Now I'll paste the video prompt for the first scene into the prompt box and click Generate. As you can see, the video generation has started in this chat, and within a few seconds, our video is ready without any branding. To download it, click the three-dot menu once again, select Download, and choose 720p MP4. And there it is. The downloaded video looks crystal clear, with excellent quality and ready to use in your final project. The process is exactly the same for every scene. I'll add the second scene image to the prompt, then go back to Gemini, copy the second scene video prompt, paste it into the Flow AI prompt box, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the second video is ready. As you can see, the video is crystal clear, high quality, and completely free of any branding. We can also use Meta AI to generate these videos. Most creators think Meta AI no longer supports video generation, but there's a simple method that still works. To access it, I'll search for Vibes AI. Vibes AI is integrated with Meta AI, making it easy to generate AI videos. As you can see, Vibes AI has loaded, and I'm already logged in. If you're new, you can sign in using your Facebook or Instagram account. After logging in, I'll click Create New. Next, I'll click Upload Media, where you can upload up to 12 images at once. I'll upload the first scene image, and as you can see, it's now ready. Now I'll click the three-dot menu. If I select Animate to Video, Vibes AI will automatically bring this image to life with a single click. But if you click on the image instead, you'll open a new window with even more controls. Here you have two animation options, Auto and Manual. I'll choose Manual Animate because it gives us full control over how the image is animated. Now we have a prompt box where we can describe exactly how we want the image to come to life. I'll go back to Gemini, copy the video prompt for the first scene, and paste it into the Vibes AI prompt box. After that, I'll click Generate. Within a few seconds, our video is ready. As you can see, the result looks great. We also have the option to extend the video duration to 10 seconds or even longer if needed. If you download the video directly from here, you'll get the branded version. But I'll show you how to download the same video in crystal clear quality without the branding. I'll go back to the project page where you can see the video we just generated. Now I'll click the three-dot menu, select Copy Link, and paste that link into a new browser tab. As you can see, the video opens in crystal clear quality and is ready to download. Once all the scene videos are generated, I'll show you the complete final result. These are the videos I've generated for every scene. Now it's time for step 4, generating the voiceover for each scene. For this, I'll use one of the most advanced AI voice generators available, and the best part is that it's completely free. In a new tab, I'll search for Google AI Studio Text-to-Speech and open it. On the home page, click Get Started. On the next page, you'll see several voice generation templates. I'll select Master Storyteller. Before generating the voice, let's configure a few important settings. First, under Model Settings, I'll set the temperature to 1.55. Next, open Speaker Settings. Here you'll find a wide selection of male and female AI voice actors. For this project, I'll choose Algenib because it fits the story perfectly. Now I'll change the speaking style from whisper to vocal smile and set the pace from the drift to natural. Once the settings are ready, I'll paste the first scene script into the script box. Next, I'll go back to Gemini, copy the voice style instructions, return to Google AI Studio, and paste them into the sample context box. Now I'll click Generate. Within a few seconds, the voiceover for our first scene is ready. I'll click Download to save it to my computer. The process is exactly the same for the remaining scenes. I'll copy the second scene script from Gemini, paste it into the script box, click Generate, and download the audio. I'll repeat these same steps for every scene, and once all the voiceovers are ready, I'll show you the final result. As you can see, all the video clips and voiceovers are now ready. Now it's time for step 5, the most important part of this entire workflow. This is where we'll combine everything together and transform these individual clips into one cinematic Ghibli-style story that looks polished and professional. You can use any video editing software, but for this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut. As you can see, I've already imported all the video clips and audio files into CapCut. Now I'll drag the first scene video onto the timeline, then place the first scene audio directly below it. As you can see, both the video and audio are almost 10 seconds long. I'll simply trim the extra part of the audio so they match perfectly. Next, I'll drag the second scene video onto the timeline and place its audio directly beneath it. This time, the audio is slightly longer than the video. In this situation, I'll slightly reduce the video speed to increase its duration until both the video and audio are perfectly synchronized. The process is exactly the same for the remaining scenes. I'll place each video clip on the timeline, add its matching audio underneath, and adjust the video speed whenever necessary to keep everything perfectly in sync. To save time, I'll fast forward through the rest of the editing process. As you can see, I've perfectly synchronized all the video clips with their matching audio. Now it's time for the final touch, adding transitions to give the video a smoother and more cinematic feel. I'll open the Transitions tab and search for the black fade transition. For this project, I'll add just 2 transitions between the video clips to keep the storytelling smooth and natural. As you can see, the transitions have been added. Now our video is complete. Let's watch the final result.
In the quiet rhythm of ticking gears, a forgotten secret lay waiting, dreaming of a world beyond the hands of time. Rusted and silent beneath decades of dust, it pulsed with the gentle heartbeat of an ancient, enchanted world. Drawn by a mysterious green glow, Elian followed its call to the edge of the forbidden woods, where magic still lingered. With a single click of the rusted crown, the rushing wind held its breath, and the forest fell into deep sleep.
And there it is, a beautiful Ghibli-style AI story video created step by step using AI. Now it's time to export the project. Enter your story name, choose the destination folder, and click Export to start rendering your video. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more free AI tutorials.